Good morning, peeps. What's up? Showing here. Started a new vlog. Sorry for the little bit of sunshine we got here today in Cape Town. Pretty nice day. Yeah, this is my first vlog or whatever you want to call it. Just woke up. Yeah, so my vlogs are gonna be about cars, cooking, DIYs. If you're at home during these COVID times and you got nothing to do, click wherever. I'll be uploading maybe weekly in the life of Ed and the fam and the dog, which is somewhere. But yeah, just trying something, we'll gotta start somewhere. But first, coffee. But also, how's this beautiful day, man? Here's what you can expect today. So first things first, we gotta clean that car. Filth. I hate a filthy car. What do you guys think? Right? I always feel like even though I'm clean, but the car's dirty, then I feel dirty. And especially if you have a decent car, it's always nice to keep it clean. So I must tell you guys a funny story. So I bought this water pressure washer thingy-mabob, whichever you want to call it, and plugged it in, connected the water, and then I tested it, and this is what it did. Let me show you. So I was like, huh? Really? This is a pressure washer, it's supposed to have pressure. So I thought, you know what, because of the price I paid for it, it is what it is. So I said I'll probably just use it to the garden and things like that. I was busy packing it away until the idiot that I am forgot to turn this switch on. Once I did turn it on, then the power came. So yeah, guys, read instructions. They're there for a clear reason. Phew, tired. Okay, car's clean. Let's catch some breakfast. And then we can go for a drive. Maybe some scenic shots. Let's see how it goes. Still Saturday. I've got a lot to do. Oh, before I forget, I have a watch fetish, so all you guys, girls out there who like watches, check this out. So, for all the car tech guys out there, it's a BM 2012 model E90 N55 335i M Sport pack. Mods, I've got an aftermarket catalyst downpipe, I've got an aftermarket aluminium charge pipe, some tweak drop-in air filters. There's MHD stage 2 software on here. Currently pushing around 604 Newton meters, and weirdly only 250 kilowatts. I think there's something wrong with my software, but I'm waiting for a JB4. But yeah, for the future, that's coming soon. But this car is still wicked, totally wicked. I'm sure you Beamer guys out there know how 335s are, especially the N54s. But this thing is a beast. Would you like to hear cold start? Let's do it. So I wish you guys could actually hear how sick this car sounds. I need to get me another GoPro, but maybe you can hear a little bit. It's crazy. Waking up the neighbors for days. I love this spool it gives, but you can't really hear it from this camera. So, made it to the end of the vlog. First vlog, maiden voyage. Thanks for checking in, thanks for joining. If you like, I'm gonna have something else come up. Yeah, join me next time. I think tomorrow I'm probably gonna do some cooking and some more DIY. Gonna play with some pool acid. Anyway, drop a comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like. I can customize. This is just for fun anyways. Well, eventually maybe I can retire. Have a like a day, guys. Oh, before I go, I'm thinking of like ways to sign off and things like that. But yeah, maybe something inspiring. Anybody know Latin? Moveo e proficio. That means is proceed and be prosperous. And the reason I like saying that is peace out.